silver shadow swoon. Your gentle touch can quiet tears, then ancient hunger reappears. I watch the wild awaken slow within the soul I cherish so. Majestic, fearsome, fierce, divine, yet still those faithful eyes seek mine. Knows your sacred name. The winds rejoice when first you came. They crown your brow with lunar light. They're noble sovereign of the night. My trembling heart would flee in vain, for love has conquered fear and pain. Though claws may mark the midnight air, your tender soul is always there. My moon-crowned king, to you alone my soul shall sing. I love the storm, I love the calm, the savage cry, the healing balm. Though all may steal my breath away, I know your heart will never stray. Within your arms my spirit soars, my pharaoh wolf, forever yours. Descend on velvet skies, I lose myself within your eyes. The beast the frightened world condemns is crowned with love like brightest gems. No curse could steal the truth I see.